All right, back here on Randy's 327 for his El Camino, where we left off. You saw that I put his cam in, and now I have his main bearings. They arrived, so we've got our uppers in. We're gonna put assembly lube on them and the rear seal, and then we're gonna clean up his crank, drop it in, put his main caps on. She's coming together. Right. Got our crank sitting in here. Looking good, looking good. Oh, it's trying to pull the rear main out. Just roll that baby back in. Fun. All right, so we'll get our main caps loaded with our bearings, get them on, and we will go from there. But she's coming along. All right. We have our mains snugged down. They're not torqued yet, but they are snug. Nice, 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 nice. All right, so we're gonna torque them, and then it'll be time for lunch. All right, mains are torqued. Turns nice. All right, after lunch, rods and pistons will go in, and we'll get the timing set on. Might actually do the timing set first, because it's quick and easy. Timing set done. Get the timing cover done, because the replacement came. Get that done, and then we'll do the rods and pistons.